Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. College students are a big target group when it comes to registering voters. As Newslink Indiana's Randy Rankin tells us, that led to a scramble on the Ball State campus.
Monday's deadline to register to vote in the November general election has Ball State students in line to make sure their voice is heard.
I just happened to see this. I already registered to vote somewhere else. I just happened to see this, and I registered for absentee voting at this event here.
According to the Center for Information and Research on Civic Learning and Engagement, only 42% of adults age 18 to 24 voted in the 2000 presidential election. However, a study by the Harvard Institute of Politics says 62% of that age group plan to vote this November.
One of the reasons that students came down to the scramble-light to register to vote, both for regular and absentee ballots, was the free hot dog giveaway sponsored by Carter's nearly world-famous hot dogs.
I've never voted before, so this will be my first time. I plan to vote at Mary Castle in Indianapolis.
One student will even travel home to Michigan to vote.
Actually, I'm going to hang out in Michigan because I don't like my governor, so I want to help when the vote comes around to that, and I know I'm a Republican, so I got to help with the Republican votes back home.
Ball State College Republican President Chris Adamo says absentee balloting is important for students close to graduation.
If you think it's going to matter more so when you graduate, then you should vote absentee.
Absentee ballots will be sent early next week. In Muncie, Randy Rankin, Newslink, Indiana.
Around 200 people registered to vote Wednesday. You can still register today from 11:30 until 2 at the corner of McKinley and Riverside. The Farmland Food Pantry may have to close its doors. It's down to just a few cans. The pantry needs non-perishable items like canned goods, pasta, paper products, and toiletries. There's also freezer space for prepackaged items like hot dogs. Monetary donations are also welcome. And donations can be dropped off Saturday between 7:30 and 10 a.m. at the Pancake and Sausage Breakfast at the Chocolate Moose in Farmland. Now here's Nicholas Ferreri with a look at our forecast. Nicholas?
Thank you, Chris. Good morning, everybody. This morning, a chilly start, clear skies, and a temperature in the lower 40s. And a cup of hot chocolate sure does sound good at this hour, doesn't it? For today, those clouds we saw yesterday have pretty much moved off to the east. They leave behind clear skies, which will allow us to warm up into the 70s today. A high of 73 degrees, back to normal. Chris, back to you.
Thanks, Nicholas. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.